today small change. This time I can take that maths class is going on 8:30 to 9:30 and the chemistry class is going on 11 to 12. Okay, clear? And one more thing. This week having that some exam will be there based on mains model. Based on that mains model, one exam will be conducted on Sunday. That is also what are explained in classes, that models and that syllabus only. Okay, clear? And in that chapters are there, what are chapters are covered, those chapters only conduct the examination this weekend. Everyone must return that examination. Okay. And one more thing, last classes what are explained, those questions models mainly practice, because this is the first examination. First examination never given the different models like is there. You have must attempt. How to attempt that questions? Those based on question models can be given. Be confidently write your examination. Okay, clear? Clear or not? Okay. And here in this class having that some BPC students also there, MPC students also there. And I can explain to the what are the points in previously what are explained, that is quadratic equation based on yesterday I given that some questions. Those questions completed or not? All questions are getting?
Yes, sir.
All questions are getting or not? Okay.
Yes.
All getting or any doubt? Okay. That is listen. Here yesterday I given that this is the question. You can get or not? Yesterday I given that question, getting or not? Okay. That next one, anyone having doubt will be there, you can ask to me. Don't feel shy, don't feel anything else. Always you can ask to the here is equal to. How to do that question? I can give an idea. You can get this question. You can okay. And write down. This is the question will be there. Here, listen. And once again I told very clearly, today only some change. Can be mute Bhaskar. And Sampath. Okay. Here listen. That is first maths,
Yes,
next
sir.
physics, next chemistry. Only today. But tomorrow onwards as it is same timetable. Okay. This is the first slide. Here consider that equation x square plus 2x minus n is equal to 0. N belongs to natural number and n belongs to 5 to 100. 5 and 100 both are included. total number of different values of n, so that given equation as integral root, given equation as integral root. Therefore, listen, equation has integral roots, that's mean x value must be integer. Listen one, given that x square plus 2x is equal to n greater than 0, just listen first. X square plus 2x is equal to n will be there. Actually, what is the a plus b whole square formula?
Square plus b
A
square
square
plus
plus
2ab.
b square plus 2ab. But here, very good. But what is the missing term in this one? Plus 1. Therefore, adding 1 both side, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 will be there. Therefore, listen, x plus 1 whole square is equal to n plus 1. You want to the integral roots are there. That's mean n plus 1 also perfect square. N plus 1 also perfect square. Because of, suppose n plus 1 is equal to, I can take 4. What is the x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. What is the x plus 1 is equal to? Plus or minus 2 will be there. Therefore, what is the x value is equal to? Minus 1 plus or minus 2. Therefore, plus 1 or minus 3 you can get. Plus 1 or minus 3. Both are integers or not? Therefore, n plus 1 must be integer. Sorry, n plus 1 must be perfect square. N plus 1 must be perfect square. Here, what is the n value given? 5 to 100. Listen, n value lies between 5 to 100 will be there. I want to the n plus 1. N plus 1 lies between 6 to 101. 6 to 101. 6 to 101, what are perfect squares? Therefore, 9, 16, 25, etc. up to 100 will be there. Total how many? 8 numbers.
8.
Therefore, number of values of n is equal to 8.
8.
Note down. That is, small logic will be there when that integral roots mean discriminate must be perfect square. Some student Likita Das, mute yourself. When that given that question, roots are integral roots mean discriminate must be perfect square. Discriminate must be perfect square.
Okay, sir.
Listen that by PC students, today only maths class in this time. Tomorrow onwards, again same timetable. First 8:30 chemistry, next physics, after maths will be there. Today chemistry class on 11
Okay, sir.
o'clock. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Here this is the one more question. Generalized question.
Okay, sir.
Infinity based on that question will be there. Infinity based on question. How to able to solve this question? Are you getting this question?
Two.
And this
N
is
square
there
plus 4b
already.
plus b
I
square.
told just a small idea. What is that idea? X is equal to square root of 5 plus x.
Yes, sir.
Squaring on both sides you can get. Do you understand? Yes, yes, yes. Getting
Yes, sir.
quadratic form. Quadratic equation, how to find out
Okay,
roots?
sir.
Formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That based on the you can use the formula, find out what is the x value. Similarly, solve this one or not. Next, in here is there
Complete,
this
sir.
question also I can explain. Write down. One small
Yes, sir.
question but logical question many of times
Yes.
is there. It's a given different examination. Some small
No,
logic. Listen. Let alpha, beta are roots of equation. X square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Alpha, beta roots mean what is the sum of the roots? Anyone in the that
Minus b
mean
yes,
plus
what
sir.
is that value? Plus 6.
6.
Alpha into beta, what is that value?
B by minus
Minus
b
2.
by
Minus 2. But what is asking that question? A10. Here is equal to A10 minus 2A8. Whole divide 2. A9 is there. That is equal to A10. But you know that
Yes,
AN is
sir.
there. What is the AN is given? Alpha power n minus beta power n. Therefore, alpha power 10 minus
beta
beta
power
power
10.
10 minus 2 is there. You can observe that given relation. What is alpha plus beta? 6. What is alpha into beta is? Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Here minus 2 replace alpha beta, that is plus alpha beta into what is the A8? A8 is equal to alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 whole divide 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Any doubt in this step?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir.
Year lesson. That any doubt? Again, an is equal to what is the an given? Alpha power n minus beta power n. First a10. What is the a10 mean? N in place of 10 substitution. What you get? Alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. That is I written. After minus 2 will be there. What is the minus
Minus 3
2
by
is equal to? Alpha into beta. That is I can
6 by 1.
replace. After A8, what is the A8
3
mean?
by 8.
N in place of 8 substitution.
Minus
Alpha
2 by
power
1.
8 minus beta power 8. Denominator 2 into A9. What is the A9 means? Alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Do you understand? Here listen.
Yes, sir.
First term alpha power 10. Second one minus
Plus
beta power 10.
2ab plus b
Just
square.
multiply plus
2a.
alpha into alpha power 8, alpha power 9 into beta minus alpha into beta power 9 whole divide. Here 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Clear? Any doubt? Here first term and third term, what is the common? First and third, what is the common? Alpha?
Minus
What is
b
the
by a.
common? Clearly
9.
observe. Alpha power
9.
9 is common. That is equal to alpha power 9 common.
C by a.
Alpha plus beta. And second and fourth term, what is the common?
Minus beta power 9.
Therefore, minus beta
Minus
power
2.
9 common, alpha plus beta whole divide, denominator never be
Minus 1 or
changed.
plus 2.
Any doubt about this step? Anyone? Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
What is the common in numerator?
Alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Alpha plus beta.
Therefore, that is equal to alpha plus beta common, remaining alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 whole
Come on.
divide 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. What should be cancel in numerator denominator?
Alpha power 9 minus beta power 9.
Very good. Alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 cancel. What you get? Alpha plus beta divide 2. What is the alpha plus beta?
21.
6 by 2. What is that
200.
value? 3. This model of question, listen once again. This model of question,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the logic? Logic you can clearly observe. In this total question, what is there? One constant number will be there. What is that constant number? Minus 2. Minus 2, sum of the roots or product of the roots you can observe. That value can be substituted. You can get that result. Do you understand?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
do it. Do it. That much only. Let alpha and beta be the roots of equation x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. If an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n for n greater than or equal to 1, then this is the question. Find the value of a10 minus 2a8 divide 2 into a9. Every class will be there in YouTube also. If you again you can listen, any point not understand, again you can
Alpha.
ask
Alpha.
in next class. Don't feel anything else, always learn subject. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you completed this one?
Sir.
This is the question. Yesterday I given that questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus minus beta.
X square plus X square. X square equal to 5 plus X.
First slide.
Yes, sir.
Onwards, sir.
By formula, sir. Minus B plus or minus
This
root of
is
B square
the
minus 4.
questions I can given
Alpha power
yesterday.
minus beta power
Already
B
you
square
solved that questions.
C
Then
2A.
first slide is this one. This is the question I can explain. After now
Six.
I can explain. This is their second one.
Yes, sir. Got sir.
Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Next, small concept will be there, that is called concept of common roots. There are two quadratic equations given. Here one root is the common for both equation. By observation this one, I can explain that concept. Just listen. Suppose
6
for
plus 6.
example x
6, sir. 6.
square minus
Sir, little June
3x.
question, sir.
Minus 2. Minus
Listen, x
2.
square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. What are roots of this equation?
2 1.
Therefore, 1 comma 2 are roots. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is
2
the
3.
roots of this equation?
2 3.
2, 3. Observe that both equation.
Both equations common root is 2.
What is the common root is equal to 2 will be there. Therefore, if any two equation having alpha is a common root,
Then both
alpha
equations
is
are
a
equal.
common root. That means here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Another a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then how to here is there? Alpha is the common root. What is the meaning of this one? That is a1 alpha square b1 alpha c1 is equal to 0. a2 alpha square b2 alpha plus c2 is equal to 0.
Sir, one more explanation,
0.
sir.
There are two equation in terms of alpha is there. There are two equation in terms
Yes,
of
sir.
alpha. How to find out alpha value? How to find alpha value? That is the first point. How to find alpha value? First point. What is the condition for two equation having common root will be there? Two equation having common root. What is the condition? You can listen. Here, do you remember in 10th class linear equations? Hello? In 10th class you remember linear equations?
Yes, sir.
In linear equations, by solving
Yes, sir. Thank you.
elimination of variable method or cross multiplication method or simultaneously solving equation, three methods will be there. Do you remember? Do you know that cross multiplication method? Anyone? No problem. If you don't know, I can explain. That's why I'm asking. You know that okay. Okay. I can explain. I can explain. Listen. Suppose two equation, same two equations are there. What is the cross multiplication method? How to find x and y value? How to find x and y value? In this equation, what is the middle term of that equation? In first equation, what is the middle term?
B1
B1y. Y is variable. What is the quotient of y? B1. First can
B1.
be written that B1. First can be written that middle term of quotient.
B1
Middle
A2
term
plus
is the
B2 A1.
okay, I know it. Just I can explain. Here B1y. What is the y quotient? Next constant C1. Next x quotient A1. Next y
B1.
quotient is called a B1. This is the method to write that constant value. Again, what is another? B2, C2, A2, B2. In between can be written x, in between y, in between constant 1. Therefore, what is the x divide? X divide, just cross
Alpha power minus
multiply.
B double
What
9.
is that value? B1C2. B1C2 minus, just cross multiply. What is that value? B2C1 is equal to,
6
next
by 2.
one, y
The answer.
divide C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 divide A1B2 minus A2B1.
A2B1.
Therefore, first and third one equate, you can get x value. First and third equate, you can get x value. Second and the third one equate, you can get y value. Like this one, two simultaneously equation given, how
Yes, sir.
to able to find x and y. This is the method. Must learn that this cross multiplication method because of coordinate geometry chapters and three-dimensional geometry, some more chapters will be there. You can use that. Many of question, that means 90% question solving linear equation using this method. That's a mean must learn. This is called a cross multiplication method. Same like this one, I can apply this one. Here listen. Therefore, observe. What is the there? Alpha square, alpha constant. Write down. That is B1, C1, A1, B1. Again B2, C2, A2, B2. Therefore, in between alpha square, alpha 1. Okay. Alpha square by B1C2 minus B2C1. Alpha divide C1A2 minus C2A1. That is 1 divide A1B2 minus A2B1. You can get that. That is the value. From this one, listen. This is first one and the second one you can take. Numerator alpha cancel. What is the alpha value? B1C2 minus B2C1. Whole divide A1B2 minus A2B1. Also, what is the second and the third one equate? Second and third one equate. What you get that value? C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. If two equation having common root will be there. Two equation having common root. How to find out that a common root is there? Using cross multiplication method, find out. There are two values you can get. That two alpha values are equate. Two alpha values are equate. You can get that two alpha values are equate. You can get that condition for two equation have a common root. Here listen.
Cross multiplication, sir.
That is two equation have
Yes.
common root will be there. This is the one. Common root, what is the alpha value? This one. First note down this point. Here common roots is there heading. Write down that this one. 2 equation. Alpha is a common root. How to find out alpha? This is the one. Note down. After I can explain that condition. No need to remember like a formula. No need remember. Suppose any small mistake is there, you can get that wrong answer.
Sir, how to get alpha equal to B1 C2 minus
Alpha
B2
beta.
C1?
You can see here this one and this one you can take. First one and the second one. First one and the second one you can take. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just cross multiplication. Here one alpha cancel. What is the alpha value? B1 C2. I think small mistake. 1 minute. Here B1 C2 B2 C1 by A2 C1 minus C2 A1. First one and second one equate getting alpha. Second one, third one equate getting another alpha. That means 2 chances for alpha value. 2 chances for alpha. That alpha value, how to find? Using that cross multiplication method. Must learn that cross multiplication method.
Sir, say it please.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Ask.
Yes, sir.
sir, you said that to get alpha, we have to do first one and third one, and then second and third, no, sir.
What once again?
You said to do alpha is equal to first one and third equation and second one and third, no, sir.
Alpha is first one and second one you can take, one alpha you can get. Second one and third one you can take, another alpha you can get.
But in before example, you said like one and third and second and third. No?
Yes, that is x and y will be there.
Okay,
That
sir.
is x
Explain,
and
sir.
y. Here alpha square and alpha is there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you completed? Here, that is the condition you can get.
B.
What is that condition? This is the one.
B1Y.
Here, 2 equation having that 2 equation having a
B1.
common root. 2 equation having a common root. What you get that condition? Same like this one. Here observe that equation A1, that is observe A1 x square plus here a1x square, that is called b1x plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is equal to 0. What is the getting alpha values? Alpha is equal to, first one, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by b1 c, therefore c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that is the one alpha. Another
Yes, sir.
alpha value c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole divide. What is there? Another one is called a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You can equate to alpha and alpha, both are equate. What you get, that is there, b1, just equate, cross multiply, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. Just you can take an as, that is there, both alpha values are equate, both alpha values are equate, and cross multiplication getting a condition. Generally questions can be solving, no need using that formula, directly can be solved. Sometime if you go for another chapter, this formula forgot it, what
Sir,
happened? You forgot it, you lost that marks in examination. That's why process, just remember, you can easy to get answer. Okay. No problem, carry on. Previous slide.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Once again,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
last problem. This one, this
Yes,
one,
sir.
this one, today, okay, this one, this is the last problem. After I can explain to the concept. You can read that problem, I can explain. Then yesterday I given that 5 questions. Are you getting that all 5 questions? That's all. After I can explain only 2 questions. Okay. This one.
Yes, sir.
minus B by A. C by A.
Completed? Okay. Listen. Okay. No problem. Okay.
Minus B by A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Still little. Small right side.
K of X square is
Side.
Yes, sir.
Here after listen.
Yes, sir.
Last slide. Okay. Completed. Okay. Here lesson 1. In this one continuation, some transformed equations. How to find out that? Suppose if roots are alpha, beta are roots of equation. Alpha, beta are roots of equation. What is that roots of? Here listen. Alpha, beta roots of equation. P alpha, P beta roots of equation. Or 2 alpha, 2 beta roots of equation. How to find out? Just listen. Here listen. That is alpha comma beta, that is there here, alpha comma beta.
Sir, can you show
Or
before one?
roots of ax square plus bx plus c is
Yes, sir.
equal to 0. Alpha beta are roots of some quadratic equation is there. What is the meaning of roots? Anyone?
Okay, sir.
What
Thank
is
you.
the meaning of roots?
X value equal to that root, sir.
X value equal to alpha, also x value equal to beta.
Equal to
That
beta.
means alpha beta roots mean alpha and beta must be satisfied given quadratic equation. Alpha and beta must be satisfied given quadratic equation. Lesson 1. That means what is the meaning? A alpha square plus B alpha plus C is equal to 0. Generally, I want to here K alpha comma K beta roots of quadratic
Aye, sir.
equation. Roots of quadratic equation. K alpha, K is some real number. K alpha, K beta, roots of quadratic equation. How to able to you can find? Already you know that.
Nice.
What is alpha plus beta? Minus B by
Minus B by
A.
A.
Alpha into beta,
Sir,
C
can you
by
show
By
A.
A.
such a concept
Here,
of common
sum
roots
of the root
page?
that is there. Sum is called K alpha plus K beta. Sum of the roots k alpha plus k beta. K common, alpha plus beta. What is that value? Minus b by a. Therefore, what is the product of roots? Product of roots is equal to k alpha into k beta. What you get? K square into alpha into beta. That is called a C by A. You know sum, you know product. How to find quadratic equation? Anyone?
Sir, a square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Formula.
Formula x square
Plus
minus x
minus
into sum
alpha
of
plus
the
beta.
roots. What is the here is called a sum
Sum of the
plus product
product of the
of
root.
roots. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, x square will be there minus x into what is the sum is equal to minus k b by a will be there. Here plus what is that value? Product of roots.
K
What
square
you
into
get?
C by
K
A.
square C by
K
A.
square into c by
C by
a
A.
is equal to 0. What is the LCM of total?
No, sir.
A.
A will be LCM. Therefore, AX square plus BKX plus CK square is equal to 0. CK square is equal to 0. Therefore, observe this one. This is equation. Actually, what is the quadratic equation? AX square plus BX plus C is equal to 0. Here C quotient 1. What is here C quotient?
K square.
K
K
square.
square. Divide with the K square entire equation. A into x square by K square plus B into here by K square mean x by K plus C is equal to 0. That is the form of A into x by K whole square plus B into x by K plus C is equal to 0. Lesson 1. Therefore, this is the equation you can get. That is, this is the equation. This equation, that equation and this equation just compare. X in place of what value substitution getting this equation?
X by K.
X by K. Therefore, K alpha, K beta roots of equation means what is the substitution? Put X in place of X by K. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Multiplication of alpha is there. You can do the division. Division is there. Here multiplication. Suppose
X2.
alpha by k, beta by k roots of equation mean kx substitution in place of x. Do you
BKX
understand?
plus C. Yes, sir.
First note down. Note down, note down. I can explain next points. This continuation, some points are there. How to get first you can understand that point. That's why I can explain.
Sir, can you show the upper part?
Upper part is before common roots. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Are you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
No, sir, no.
continue. Okay. No problem. No problem.
So 1 minute writing.
Okay. No problem. Take a time.
Someone's gonna give little side. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Completed.
The last line.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, this is the point, is the transformed equation, how to find, like this one. Here listen. Alpha comma, that is lesson 1. Alpha comma beta are roots of, here roots of f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha beta roots of quadratic equation will be there. A first point. Here, what is the first one? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are roots of equation is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. F of 1 by x is equal to 0. 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, roots of equation. Here this also called a reciprocal equation. 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, roots of equation. Second one, alpha plus some constant, beta plus some constant, roots of equation f of x minus
X plus
k is
x
equal
minus
to 0. Addition is there, subtraction. Subtraction is there, addition.
addition.
That is the third point. Alpha minus k, beta minus k are roots of equation f of x
F of
plus k is equal
x
to
plus
0.
k equal to 0.
Next one, in fourth one will be there. Alpha into k, beta into k are roots of equation f of x
F of
by
x k.
k is equal to 0. F of x by k is equal to 0. In fifth one, alpha square, beta square, roots of quadratic equation f of root x is equal to 0. That means x in place of root x substitution. One more, last one. Alpha cube, beta cube are roots of equation f of cube root x is equal to 0. This is the transformed equations. Note down these all points. Based on that questions I can explain in next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.